Hey! Can you see me? I'm in front of you. Look here. Oh, now you can see me. Hello, I am a black hole. You must have heard about me. I'm one of the most mysterious objects in this universe. But do you know why I exist? What is my importance in this universe? How was I born? To know me better, watch this video till the end. Until 1784, nobody knew about me. British scientist John Michell predicted my existence for the first time in 1784, and he was quite right. Later in 1916, I found a place in Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. In 1967, I finally got a name. American astronomer John Wheeler called me a black hole. After decades of me being known theoretically, I was first spotted in 1971. And then in 2019, the whole world saw me. You might wonder why the name black hole. Don't let the name fool you. I am anything but empty space. Rather, I have a great amount of matter packed in a very small area. Think of a star 10 times more massive than the sun, squeezed into a sphere approximately equal to that of a city like Delhi. The result of this packaging is a gravitational field so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. And so, I am a black hole. So how big am I? I'm not alone. They are more like me, and we come in a variety of sizes. Some black holes are small as just one atom, but they have mass equal to that of a large mountain. Another kind of black holes are called stellar black holes. They have the mass that can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the sun in your solar system. The largest black holes are called supermassive black holes. They can be found in the center of large galaxies, and they are like the head of our family. The supermassive black holes found in the Milky Way galaxy is known as Sagittarius A, and it has a mass of 4 million suns. Now you know a lot about me. But do you know how I and other black holes were born? Well, we were born when the universe began, especially the smaller black holes. Other black holes are formed from stars. Yeah, but not just usual stars. Only a star 3 times the size of the sun can give birth to a black hole. When a star burns through the last of its fuel, the object may collapse and fall into itself. For smaller stars, the new core will become a neutron star or a white dwarf, and not a black hole. Stellar black holes are formed when the center of very big stars fall in upon themselves or collapse and cause supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts part of the stars into space. Supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they are in. What do I look like? I have 3 body parts or layers: the outer and inner event horizon and the singularity. The event horizon is a boundary around my mouth past which nothing can escape. The inner region where my heart lies is known as the singularity. It is the single point where all of my mass lies. Do you know what? I can eat anything which comes in my way. If you fall into me, I would stretch you out like a spaghetti through which death would come before you reach the singularity. But you guys need not worry, as I'm very, very far from you. That's all about me. I guess now we can be friends, and it will be a long distance friendship. One thing I'm still curious about, if even light cannot escape from me, then how can you humans see me? Tell me about this through comments, and don't forget to like the video.